Assalamu alaikum students. In first lecture of August, I have told you about figure of speech. We have discussed simile, metaphor, personification, alliteration, and irony. What were these? Simile was the use of as and like with the comparison of two things or two persons due to some quality by using comparing words. Ali is like a brother to me. Ahmad runs as fast as tiger. Excuse me. Metaphor. When we use a word ironically to compare two things or two persons without any use of comparing word as or like Gama was Rustam of Pakistan, Ahmad is Iqbal of our school. Then personification. In personification हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को पर्सोनीफाई करते हैं, ज़िंदा चीज़ों की खसूसियात देते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, फ्लावर्स वर फ्लटरिंग और डांसिंग इन द ब्रेज. डेथ लेज इट्स सिटी हैंड्स ऑन किंग्स. एलिट्रेशन, repetition of same sounds. Student, again I will tell you about irony. When we use the words in opposite meaning ironically to create wonder, mockery or fun. Mockery is taunt, तंज करना. Ali is very intelligent. हालांकि अली डल है. You come in time. हालांकि वो देर से आया. So this is like irony, तंज. Then imagery. When the words create scene of five senses to add the imagination. You know five senses? Auditory, smell, taste, touch and sight. Auditory. I could listen the rustling of leaves. Smell, scent of apples added in the beauty of scene. The stars were shining. Sense of sight. So then phrase. Group of words have no subject, acts as a part of sentence but cannot give its meaning alone. A black car was running on the road. So student, in it the underlined set of words on the road is phrase having no object and giving incomplete sense. Life is not bed of roses, bed of roses. Okay. Then phrases has some kinds. Adjective phrase, group of words as an adjective. He lives in a house made of mud. Made of mud is adjective phrase. You know adjective, quality of noun. The boys on the road are my students on the road. Then adverb phrase, group of words, phrases acts as an adverb. Student, adverb is parts of speech which add the meaning of verb or adjective. He answered me rudely. Normally adverbs end with ly. It must be done at any cost. The wind blew in a great violence. Great violence. Noun phrase. Group of words act as a noun. He enjoys playing cricket. He is not easy to give up smoking. He succeeded in the long run. Clauses. Students, you have to learn by heart the examples and definition of this kind of clauses, phrases. Then we have to start clauses. Group of words have subject, acts an incomplete sentence, but can give its meaning independently or give complete sense. God helps those. The earth is round. Birds can fly. Fish can swim. These are examples of clauses. Birds can fly and fish can swim is a sentence which is having two clauses. Independent. Here we will discuss dependent and independent clauses. So students, it has three kinds here: adjective clause, adverb clause and noun clause. Group of words act as an adjective. This is the student who got first prize. He traveled by bus, which ran speedily. He told a story that sounds false. Adverb clauses. Group of words acts as an adverb. We rested when dark prevailed. I shall not go out of it rains. Don't leave until I come. Noun clause. Group of words acts as a noun. I believe that he says. I'm sure that she is alright. No one knows who they are. So, student, this was about figure of speech. I expect you guys, you have to learn it by heart and write it on loose sheet and make an assignment and send it at school office. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.